Hello everyone, this is today's English lesson. We're going to be continuing with looking at our new Power of Reading book. You will need today a pencil or black pen, a piece of paper and some coloured pencils. We're going to be developing on the work that we did yesterday, thinking about who this character is and asking questions about the book. We're going to delve a little bit deeper into the book today. I was really interested yesterday to see some of your fantastic ideas about who you thought this character was. Lots of you thought he was tiny, and a few of you even thought he was a carrot, and I can actually see that from this tiny picture that I showed you yesterday. So let's go into the book and have a look at the first double page spread. We're going to be having a look at the illustration, having a look at the little bit of text that we can see in the book, and continuing with the same questions that you thought about yesterday. Let's have a look inside the book and see what happens next. This is the first double page spread in the book. You can see a little bit more foliage and you can see the tiny character sat right at the top, looking out at the stars. Let's have a closer look and see what the text says. Once, long ago on a faraway island, there was a boy. Some nights he climbed to the tallest branch of the tallest tree to look at the stars. He listened to the lap of the waves and imagined what it would be like to live in the world on the other side of the ocean. Today, you're going to be looking at the same questions you looked at yesterday, but you have a little bit more information now. Let me remind you of these questions, then we'll go back and have another look at the text, and we'll be thinking about the illustration that you have been looking at in the double page spread. Questions again. Who are they? You now know it's a boy. I wonder who he is. Have you got any good ideas? Does he remind you of any characters in any other books you've read? What do you think you know about them? Have a look at them. Do you know where they might live? We maybe know something about what type or how they feel from the text that we've read. What they look like, we can see all of this person now, so we know they're not a carrot, but what do we know about them? Are they still small? How do you think they feel? When I read you the text again in a minute, that may give you some clues. Why do you think they feel this? And I wonder if you can make a good prediction or a guess about where they live. Let's remind ourselves of what it says. There's our illustration with our boy sat looking. So the text. Once long ago on a faraway island, there was a boy. Where might this island be? Some nights he climbed to the tallest branch of the tallest tree to look at the stars. Have you ever seen any trees like this in England? Where might the trees be? He listened to the lap of the waves and imagined what it would be like to live in the world on the other side of the ocean. So today, I'd like you to have a go at drawing the character that you can see in the double page spread. Go back on the slides and have a look at some of those key questions, the same key questions we looked at yesterday. If you come up with any other questions or any ideas you've got about what the book might be about, please do write them around the picture and you can send them in to me on Dojo. This might be what the boy is looking out at. I wonder if you can put yourself in his shoes to see if you can guess how he is feeling. I look forward to seeing your work. Any questions, just send me a message on Dojo.